Welcome to Data Export Tutorial for Church Office Online's product. We are excited about our new release of our data export utility. It has been greatly simplified, but yet still very powerful, and it has even greater compatibility with not only Windows-based systems, but also Apple and Macintosh. Let's begin. First of all, you'll need to go to your dashboard. Once you get into your program, then you'll want to go to the admin section of your program, as this feature that has been added is or updated is actually an admin feature. So go ahead, and once you get to the dashboard, go to admin and then to data export. Once you're in data export, you'll be just greeted by a very simplified page, which allows you the opportunity to export several areas of your data that you've entered into your program. You'll notice these areas are divided up below here, and you can only select one area of data to export at a time. One of the things that is great about exported data is that it will allow you the opportunity to take data that you have entered and also create several custom reports or custom labels, pretty much about anything, and merge the data that is in your program with those particular reports. Let's go ahead and simply do this. Now, what we have done is we've done away with the various options of the type of exported file that you can have, like an XML, to a comma-separated value report, also known as a CSV file. And the reason why we've done this is because it allows you the opportunity to have greater compatibility, and it also is a much smaller file and yet contains all fields that is within your program. So let's go ahead and just simply show you how simple this is. All you need to do is simply click the data that you'd like to export, like the individual file, and then just click Export. Once you do, you'll be given the option to open, to save, or to cancel. Normally what I tell people to do is, from the save feature there, is to choose the save as. This will open up a folder which allows you the opportunity to save it to, say, the desktop, which is what you're currently viewing here, and then all you have to do is simply click Save. Once you do that, then you can go ahead and open the file. You can choose the Open Here or click what you have already placed upon your desktop. It will automatically choose as a CSV file typically the primary Excel file program that you have on your computer, whether it's Numbers or whether it is a Microsoft product. And once it does, it'll open up the file, and you'll see that all your fields are broken down into columns which can be sorted. You can replace certain aspects, you can make changes to things. And what's nice about this is that even though this file contains all your data of your individuals, any changes that you make here, or even edits that you make here, or deletions, is not going to affect your online program. It's going to allow you to be able to sort through records, delete records, to set up a simple Excel file or whatever you would like to have for merged data to a Microsoft Word program. Just a little bit about this file. You'll notice in the first column there's an ID here. This is the ID, specific ID code for that particular record. And that's all the kind of system kind of file that we've placed here. And then if you go through here, that you'll notice obviously the main contact information that is found in each individual record. Plus also you'll see a better breakdown of those custom fields that you add to your program. Like, for instance, we added allergies, responsibilities, notes, first aid, CPR. These fields that have been asterisked here are not an error. Basically, all you have to do is extend it a little bit, and then you'll notice that they will display correctly. So, and again, it gives you the opportunity to sort records. So if you want to, say, find out with regards to your envelope numbers, what envelope numbers you have entered into your system. All you have to do is highlight the column, go to your sort, go to sort from smaller. It will flag you to let you know that you need to expand it, which you should be okay with. And then you'll see the envelope numbers that are placed there in the field. And again, this gives you the opportunity to do a lot of research into your own data, so specific to your own needs. And again, any changes you make, you don't have to worry about it affecting your main program. It's a very simplified utility and yet very powerful. And so we encourage you to take the opportunity to go into your program and export the data quite simply, and then to use that data to perhaps generate specific reports or charts or whatever you would like to have for your needs. Again, thank you for taking the time to go through this, and if you have any additional questions, please call or email support@churchofficeonline.com. And thank you very much.